Hello and welcome to our esteemed channel, Be a Greco Baby Care. Today, on another wonderful Friday, I bring to you another topic that is very delicate and extremely important for your crucial role as a dedicated child caregiver. More than that, for an excellent and highly skilled nanny or a truly qualified professional nurse. So come with me, because today I'm going to talk about the secrets to building a healthy bond with the child without competing with the parents. So what is the main point I want to leave with you? That an excellent nanny does not need to compete with the child's parents. They are there to truly add, not to truly divide. Dividing affection, dividing care, or using the child's response to fill some emotional void that the professional might unfortunately have. So the crucial point I want to make is that this dedicated nanny consistently adds, and this nanny absolutely does not divide. And these are the most important points. So I start with the figure of the father, the respect for the figures of the father and the mother. How important it is for a professional today to know that when she enters this home, the ones who set the routine, the rules, the values, and the principles of the house are the parents. So always make sure to point out to the child when she successfully completes an activity or achieves something truly significant, how incredibly proud her parents would undoubtedly be of that particular moment. For example, of that beautiful drawing she just made, or that wonderfully healthy plate of food she just ate, or that delicious muffin you baked together, or, for instance, when you carefully measure her height and she's grown a full 2 centimeters. See how your parents would be truly proud of you, or genuinely very happy about your significant growth. All of this profoundly helps you to always involve the parents deeply within the child's broader context, which subsequently makes the overall work environment considerably safer and the emotional bond between them much healthier. So what exactly can you, as dedicated professionals, truly create that is genuinely unique and special between you and the child, which also significantly strengthens the profound bond with you as a caring professional? You can, for example, effectively create meaningful rituals. For instance, when you first arrive at the house and the beloved child is eagerly there, you can gently make up a delightful little song. Your absolutely favorite nanny has joyfully arrived. Here I happily come to make you truly happy. La 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 la. Anyway, I just made that up on the spot, guys. Anything really, but you can create, together with the child, an arrival song, a little song ritual for brushing teeth, for bedtime, or keep a drawing journal with the child, which will always be done between you and the child, making it something unique between you two. And what else is very important? It's to acknowledge the child for the good things they have done. So if there was a challenge, if there was something that was really hard for them, look, you did it. Congratulations. I'm going to tell your mom that you managed to do this. Or for example, wow, I loved playing with you today. You were so incredibly creative and truly imaginative, and then as a result, you start building these strong, meaningful bonds and deep connections of trust, which ultimately makes the child feel very comfortable, secure, and even mature within your developing relationship. So, the professional's positive and supportive attitude makes a truly significant difference in establishing and nurturing this vital bond. What I want to leave here as a final message for you is, the secret to this bond is not to compete with the parents' love, but to be the bridge that connects affection, support, and trust, which you establish and demonstrate to these parents. When the nanny adds to the family, everyone wins. It's not just you who benefits, the parents and the child also gain from this relationship. So I leave this tip for you with much affection. If you enjoyed it, leave your like, which is very important for our channel, and also share it with other professionals you know who might also need this tip. Sending you all my love, and see you next week.